So hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Christine Salazar, your sales executive here in Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila branch. And for today's video, meron tayong i-feature na unit which is the 2025 Montero Black Series Rally Art Edition. The 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport Black Series Rally Art Edition is a special variant of Mitsubishi's popular SUV. It's designed to commemorate the brand's motorsport heritage. Ano bang special dito sa ating Montero Black Series Rally Art Edition? Panoorin niyo yung video na to at alamin natin kung ano yung nabago dito compared with the standard Montero Black Series. As you can see, manonotice nyo kaagad yung difference ng Rally Art sa regular na Black Series lang. Pero bago ang lahat, simulan muna natin dito sa kanyang front grille. Meron pa rin tayo dyang black front grille na may illumination light, and meron tayo ditong glass bezel which is dyan located yung ating mga sensors. Then, pagdating sa lightning system, naka-LED pa rin yung ating DRL with LED headlight also. So, dito sa baba, yung front undergarnish natin, manonotice nyo, meron siyang red accent. So, it means na Rally Art Edition yung unit nyo. Dahil meron siyang red accent dyan sa baba, and meron din tayo ditong Rally Art na nakalagay. So, ayan. By the way, equipped pa rin ng 360 camera itong ating Rally Art Edition. So, pagdating naman dito sa side, ikutan muna natin siya pagdating sa exterior. Ayan, makikita nyo, meron din tayong fender flare na color black and red na mud flaps. So, dito naman, naka-black pa rin yung ating side mirror, including the door handles. And meron tayong Rally Art na decals dito sa ating unit. So, ayan guys. Naka-black pa rin yung ating spoiler. And pagdating dito sa rear, yung ating rear undergarnish, meron din siyang red accent. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Pati yung ating mud flaps, yan guys, may nakalagay siya na Rally Art. So at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you kung magkano ba yung SRP nito compared with the regular Black Series na Montero. So guys, let's check what's under the hood. Under the hood guys, we have a 4N15 2.4-liter turbocharged direct injection diesel with Maybach technology. So ayun guys, pagdating naman sa ating Montero, same lang naman sila ng makina, even manual or even dun sa base model natin up to sa ating top of the line. So guys, I have here two remote keys. One is the for Montero GLS and the other one is para sa ating Black Series. As you can see, pagdating dito sa left side, dalawa lang yung buttons, or tatlo naman siya pero walang nakalagay na icon doon sa pinaka lower something niya. Well, on the right side naman, meron tayo ditong makikita na button, or yan guys, yan yung nakalagay. From automatic tailgate, pwede din natin siyang i-open from the remote key. So tara guys, pasukin naman natin itong ating Montero Black Series. So, tara guys, pasok tayo sa loob ng ating unit. Let's go. Let's check what's inside. So, dito tayo ngayon guys, sa loob ng ating Montero Black Series Rally Art Edition. So, when it comes to interior, wala naman silang pinagkaiba aside doon sa mabibigyan kayo ng Rally Art na matting. So, again, pagdating sa ating Black Series guys, naka-black and maroon yung ating leather seat. Then, meron siyang mga diagonal stitching and naka-automatic na rin yung ating controls para sa ating upuan. Also, pagdating naman sa airbag, aside from the driver and passenger, equipped din siya ng side and curtain airbags. So, by the way, yung ating Montero Black Series is naka-push start button na rin siya. Meron din tayo ditong controls para sa ating side mirrors, FCM, parking sonar, and ating Mitsubishi Active Stability Traction Controls. And naka 3-spoke leather wrap yung ating steering wheel. Also, equipped na rin tayo guys ng paddle shifter. So, check natin. Wait lang. Ayan. So, pagdating sa steering wheel, meron tayong mga controls dito para sa ating multimedia system. And dito naman sa right side, we have here the adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, voice command function, and yung ating mga hands-free button. So, as you can see guys, yung ating meter cluster is naka-digital na siya, naka-full LCD siya, compared with the lower variants na combination of digital and analog. Ayan. So, ayan, napakaganda ng ating display. So, going back, dito naman tayo sa ating multimedia system. So, yung ating multimedia system is equipped ng Apple CarPlay with Android Auto. So, if ever guys, meron din tayo dyang built-in na navigation. So, pagdating naman sa air conditioning system, we have a dual zone auto climate control with Nano X technology. Sa transmission naman, 8-speed automatic transmission guys. Then, naka-electronic parking brake with brake auto hold na tayo. So, when it comes to safety features, I'll be listing it down para makita nyo siya. So, yung ceiling natin for Montero Black Series is color black pa din. I almost forgot guys, meron din pala tayo ditong button para sa ating tailgate. So, pipindutin nyo lang yan, automatic mag-open na yung ating tailgate. Para, if ever na nasa mga mall kayo, di ba, minsan chine-check yung ating likuran, mas mabilis nyo na siyang ma-access. So, dito naman tayo guys, sa second row. Ayan, naka-open na. Ito nga pala guys, yung itsura ng Rally Art na decals na naka-install dito. Ayan. So, sa second row, same with my previous vlogs. Yan, naka-fold and tumble pa din yung ating mga upuan. Then, meron pa rin tayo ditong 220 volts na power outlet and USB ports. Meron pa rin dyan. So, sobrang quick lang ng video na to guys kasi more on difference lang naman ng Black Series yung gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Sorry, ng Rally Art 2 Montero Black Series na standard. So, ayan. Again, yung mga pinagkaiba ng Rally Art is more on accessories lang guys. But when it comes to function, features, and all with the Montero Black Series, same lang naman sila. So, yan. So, guys, para sa mga interested mag-avail nitong ating 2025 Montero Black Series Rally Art Edition, it retails for 2,277,000. So, syempre guys, hindi mawawala yung mga exclusive freebies na ino-offer natin with our Mitsubishi unit. So, if interested po kayo, pwede niyo akong i-message sa aking contact numbers indicated dito sa screen, 0933-561-5981, or pwede niyo rin pong bisitahin yung aking Facebook account, Christine Salazar Olimba. And kung gusto niyo naman mag-drop by dito sa aming dealer, we are located here at number 2943 Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So hanapin niyo lang po guys, Christine Salazar from RFY Group. Again guys, thank you so much for watching and sana kayo naman po yung maging next Mitsubishi clients namin. Bye!